What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael back with another video just showing you how you can earn $100 daily working from your phone with just one app. Okay, now before I get started, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, because I will be putting out more videos just like this, just showing you how you can earn income working from the comfort of your own home with your phone, your iPad, tablet, or even your laptop. Okay, now basically what you want to do is you're gonna go on your phone, you're gonna go ahead and search feature points. Okay, now once you pull up the link here for feature points, you're gonna go to this website here. All right, and as you can see down here, it has two links. Okay, one here if you want to download for your iPhone, if you have an iPhone, or if you have an Android, you can download with this link here. Okay, so you want to go to this website to download the links. All right. And basically what you're doing, guys, with this app is you're going to be trying out free apps on the app here. Okay, so you're going to install the apps to your phone. You're going to try them out for a few minutes. I've tried the apps out for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. All right, and then once you try the app out, you can uninstall the app after that, but you are going to accumulate points. All right, so these points that you accumulate, you're going to be able to use them to redeem the points and receive the rewards, like Amazon. You can be able to purchase something on Amazon. You can be able to purchase coffee from Starbucks, PlayStation, iTunes, but I use it mainly for the PayPal because you get paid for this. Okay, so you're gonna want to get paid for this, so you make sure that you use it for PayPal to redeem your points. Okay, also guys, is another way that you get paid is by referring your friends. All right, you can refer your friends and you earn unlimited points. You also earn 50% of the points that they earn, so that starts to accumulate real fast, and you will start being able to cash out more with the PayPal money. Okay, you can refer your friends through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, just social media, period. You can refer your friends and earn money just by what they do. Okay, so this is real simple, guys. Like I said, if you're ready to get the app, get ready to get started, you can get started today. Just download the app, and then you'll be ready to start earning some income. All right. Now, like I said before, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and also make sure you like the video, share the video, and if you have any questions, you can comment below. I'll definitely answer any questions you have. Okay. With that being said, guys, stay blessed.